Hello friends, welcome to Villa Chefs. Today we show you how to make a simple snack with bacon, cheese and beans. Boil some water and then add the beans to the boiling water for 2 minutes in order to blanch them. Meanwhile, prepare a bowl of ice cold water and keep it ready. As soon as the beans are blanched, take them out and dunk them into ice cold water to stop cooking and keep the beans crisp. Once the beans are cold, take them out and dry them on a paper towel. Now take a slice of bacon and place half a cheese slice on this. Then place 2 or 3 beans on the cheese and roll them as shown. Continue to do the same for all the bacon and beans. Now place a pan with oil on the stove and let it get hot. Once the oil is hot, place the bacon bean rolls onto the pan and fry them for 3 to 5 minutes, turning the rolls frequently to allow the bacon to slightly crisp on all the sides. Remove them from the pan and serve the bacon bean rolls with your favorite sauce. You can find the full list of ingredients and method in the description box below. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue to bring you easy and simple dishes from around the world. Signing out, the Villa Chefs.